Jodolapa, Namaste, this is Arun Chuladar. This blog is about how to handle snowstorm and learn to live with it. Hello everyone, look at this snow. Because snow and crowd here knows we're closed for the park and actually did it. Not a month to melt. It's very, very, very slippery, so finally the holiday season is over. The birds are chirping. Mahima and Samsara, they are taking down the tree. The end of the holiday season. आज चाहिँ एकदमै जाडो छ. आज बिहानको टेम्परेचर थियो -5 degree Fahrenheit. That's pretty cold. Hello everyone, this is the first snow, about 3 inches, but still not enough for snow shovel to come and do the snow job. So do notice shoveling our driveways. The temperature is supposed to go up. We don't want it to melt and freeze and get icy. Hello everyone, look at this snow. We have a winter storm in January, so we need to clean all the driveway, walkway and everything. It's so nice all over the place, but it's a lot of work to do and clean the driveway. And look at how much snow we have here. The 3 strong people has almost complete the driveway cleaning. The driveway shovel is almost completion. Coldest day maybe of this year. It's just a 4 degree Fahrenheit. And this is the coldest day ever for this year. There are not much snow, no, but it's more like icy. It's very, very, very cold. को लागि बाहिर जाँदैछौँ. बाहिर टेम्परेचर एकदमै कम छ. 22 डिग्री मात्रै छ. अनि हिउँ वरिपरि लागेको छ, तर बाटो चाहिँ सफै छ. But it's nicely sunshine outside. अहिले हामी एलिफेन्ट पार्कबाट फास्ट फुड जाँदैछौँ. यहाँ एलिफेन्ट पार्कमा पनि सबै स्नो छ. दायाँ बायाँ दुईटै पार्क हो. एउटा स्लोप छ यहाँ. केटाकेटीहरू चाहिँ स्लाइड गर्न आउँछन्. अब चाहिँ हामी यहाँ हाइवेतिर लागेका छौँ. Passing by downtown. यहाँ downtown एकछिनमा यो कोडाक बिल्डिङ पनि देखिन्छ. देखिहाल्यो यतातिर. हेर्नुहोस्. अहिले हामी एयरपोर्ट नजिकै बाटो जाँदैछौँ. एयरपोर्ट पास भएर जानुपर्छ. यहाँ चाहिँ एयरपोर्टको एक्जिट यहाँ चाहिँ एयरपोर्ट जानलाई. यहाँ अहिले हामी इन्डियन बजारमा एउटा दुईवटा सामान पिकअप गर्नु थियो. यो इन्डियन स्पाइस बजार भन्ने ठाउँमा आएर हामी चाहिँ यहाँ समोसाहरू र भेजिटेबल्सहरू पनि पिकअप गर्दैछौँ. त्यसैको लागि यहाँ हामी आएको छौँ. Today is February 2nd, 2022, and it is about close to 10 o'clock. There is a big snow forecast in the news, and I have been getting so many alerts in my phone as well that there is going to be a big snowstorm in Rochester, in the Webster area, and it's going to start from 10 and continue through today's Wednesday, so it's going to continue through Thursday and only going to stop at 1 p.m. on Friday. So it's going to be continuous, slow moving snowstorm coming. So right now, when I look outside, it's only rain right now because the temperature is very high. Let me go outside and check quickly. Look at that. This is how it looks like right now. There's still a pile of snow. There was a big pile. The pile has reduced a lot because of its rain, and temperature was a little high today. It went all the way up to 41 degree Fahrenheit this afternoon. And now the snow is gonna pile up on top of these snow, whatever is already there. So it's not a good news. Because of the fact it's gonna snow, I have already arranged the snow truck to remove the snow from our driveway so that we don't have to shovel ourselves. I already signed up a contract with the snow plowing through the season. Good morning again. Like I told you yesterday, there is supposed to be a pile of snow coming by this morning, and let me see how much snow it has come so far. Let me open the curtain and see. Uh-oh. There is not much snow at all. Where is all the snow? It's supposed to be about 6 or 8 inches by now. This is all the snow we have there. Samsara is walking and you can see her footprints there. It's not that deep. And the school is not closed. I was expecting that the school is going to be closed if there's a big snow, but it didn't happen. Sakun has a little trouble backing up because snow, and probably she doesn't know where the road is. Yeah, the car is spinning a little bit, and this car is all-wheel drive, so shouldn't have much problem. She has to go out today because she has an appointment and she doesn't want to miss it. It is about 15 minutes after Shakung left for her appointment, and we are planning to have chicken and veggie mix biryani for lunch today. So I'm in the preparation of making biryani. Sakun has made most of the ingredient ready to go. She has done all the cuttings and everything. Sakun sabai cut sabai गरेर गइसक्यो. यो चाहिँ नि हाल्को. This is potatoes, cauliflower, green peas, soaked rice, and chopped onions, sliced onions. You think garlic, you think adua. This is garlic and this is ginger. And here's the yogurt. यहाँ चाहिँ दही पनि राखेको छ. अनि एकछिनमा म चाहिँ पकाउँछु होला यो. And this is the chicken cubes. It's all ready to go. यो चाहिँ कुखुराको मासु हो. सबै काटिसकेको, स्किन गरिसकेको. I heated up some oil here. And त्यसलाई अलि तातो गरेको छु. And first of all, let me fry these onions. While the onion is cooking, let me mix some of these ingredients here. Here are the chicken cubes, and I'm going to some garlic, and some paste ginger, chop up ginger. And this is very important. Put some yogurt here. That is a must. Okay. She just got back from her appointment and she said that the roads are pretty clear and they made unnecessary noise about the snow, and the snow has already stopped and my cooking is still going on in the kitchen. Finally, the biryani is ready. Yesterday I said, where is the snow? Where is the snow? And here is the snow. It delayed, but it came later on. So you want to see the snow? Here. Oh, look at this. All the snow here. And this is all the snow. It's our walkway. It's all covered. So driveway is still full of snow. And I called the snow truck and they said they will come a little later today and they'll get it done. Today happened to be Winter Olympic opening day, and they're showing this torch on the TV in China. That's the live thing going on in China about this Winter Olympic openings. And at the same time, we have so much snow here. Look at that. And this is where it's up to. Can you see? The snow is from here to here. And because of this, so much snow came down overnight. All the schools are closed. My work is closed, so I don't have to work. So I have a day off. And today just happened to be Friday and snow day all together. So I have a long weekend. So this is the situation of the snow here. Look at this, so high. Somebody is trying to clear the walkway, and for the driveway, the plow should be coming this afternoon. And this is the situation here. It's all white all over the place. And look at this, how deep it is. People think snow is a fun thing, but when you have to live with it, it's not fun. How is the snow? Is it heavy?
A little bit. It's all fresh snow.
Yeah.
So it's not that hard to scoop.
Yeah, it's powdery, right?
Yeah.
Throw the other side. And if it is too hard, you can stop.
Okay.
It has stopped snowing completely, and it's sunny out here. It's a bit cold. It's a really cold out here. Snow plow has come and already done the Snow plowing, so driveway is drivable. Our neighbor's driveway is clean. Garage door open, because they have been not coming out since last couple of weeks because it was snowy, cold, and their driveway was very, very, very slippery. So the lady from that house, I think, fell on the driveway. That's what I was told by her husband when I talked to them last time. So this is the situation here again, and here's the piles of snow on the side of the driveway. Look at that, and it's all white all over the place. This is the neighborhood here with full of snow, and I don't know how long it'll take. Depends upon the weather. It's gonna warm up a little bit, maybe Wednesday or so. Hopefully it'll gonna melt a little bit, and probably it's gonna thaw a little bit. But again, the temperature is gonna take a deep dive. Well, I'm not a weather forecaster. I'm a weatherman here, and I'm sounded like a weatherman. But I'm just telling how is it like when it's snow here, and look at all over the place here. And I have to be very careful when I walk over here, and it might be slippery. I'm just stepping on where there's a little bit of snow so that I know it's not a black ice. This is the neighbor's backyard and part of our backyard here. And here's the trees, and the sun is sunshine here, fully sunshine. Blue sky really looks nice, but it's really, really cold. Snow is slowly melting. Today the temperature is a little higher. We are supposed to have about 40 Fahrenheit temperature, and this should melt the snow down a little bit. These are all the snow that was dumped during last Thursday, and it is getting a little bit warmer, and it's sunny, and it's not that cold. As you can see, I'm not wearing heavy jacket. There's still piles of snow, and here is some slushy snow here. It's icy, and you have to be really careful. You don't want to fall. I'm going to go inside this Rochester Plaza where all the apartment stores are there. The purpose of going there is to show you guys how much snow still piled up there and still hasn't melted. I'm here at the Webster Plaza. As you can see in the background, how much snow, but the pile of snow is still left behind there from last snow dump. And as you can see, these are all piles of snow. And here is the Target departmental store, and most of the parking lot is taken up by the piles of snow. This is what I wanted to show you. So probably it's going to take another month to melt, even if the temperature goes up and stays up around 40-45 degrees Fahrenheit. And there is still those big snow clouds parked here, because probably they are waiting here, and slowly they're going to try to remove the snow from here. And there's another plowing machine here, as you can see how big that is. From here I'm gonna go to Webster Park, and by the Webster Park there's a part of Ontario Lake there. I want to see how much snow's left there. I just want to show you guys, how it's looked like in the lake with the snow. The gate is closed for the park, and actually this is the driveway. Apparently they don't plow during the winter, so I cannot go in the park here. Now let me see if I can get some shots from the side of the road, see if I can see the lake. And here there's the piles of snow and sun shining behind it. really careful here. One of it here is the beaches. And see, this is the Lake Ontario here, part of the Lake Ontario. And this is the park. It's probably get open maybe in the spring, early spring. So but it's a bad luck. I was wishing to get in there and get some shots here, and apparently I am not able to get the shots here, and there's lots of cars in the road. Look at these machines, they are working with snow here as we come to the other side. I'm in my neighborhood here. Look at these, all these piles of snow. Finally I have arrived home, and look at the mailbox, it's all green. Driving into a driveway here. And just an open garage. This is the walkway here. It leads to the front door. So we have to keep it clean for people who come for delivery and things like that. And if somebody come and visit us, we have to make sure that these walkways are kind of shoveled. So some sort of help to shovel this walkway. And look at this, the piles of snow on the sides of this walkway too. So it looks nice when you look in the video, but it is really cold, and you know, it's chow chow is for lunch today. Samsara did the big job removing the snow in the walkway, so this is a treat for her and for ourselves too. As usual, most of the time, I like to end my video with the food. Thank you very much for watching. Keep watching. Please subscribe, share, and write a comment below and encourage me to put more vlogs. Thank you very much again. I will see you in my next video. यो भिडियो हेरिदिनु भएकोमा धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद र कमेन्ट गर्नुस् र सब्स्क्राइब पनि गरिदिनुस् र शेयर पनि गरिदिनुस् धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद।